What's up, guys? I wanted to show you guys the Raylar intake installed on the 496 and go over a few things that we had to do to make it work. As with any project, everything's going to have its little quirks that you got to change, and so I wanted to prepare you guys if you guys do decide to go this way on the 496. So first of all, you have a lot bigger of a throttle body here, the 90 millimeter. So there's an adapter in order to get your spark arrestor to attach. I'll put the part number in the comments below. The gear oil lube used to be mounted right here, so we made another bracket to go off to the side, and we had to add some wire harness here to connect that. I haven't exactly fastened these wires up, but I just wanted to go over that. Also here with the oil fill tube, we had to modify the oil fill tube so it bent over. If it was straight up, it would hit the throttle body linkage. So what we did on this is we took the tube and cut like a pizza slice out of it, bent it down, and re-welded it. And then on the inside, obviously, we cleaned it up, made sure that there's not going to be any debris getting into the motor. That's very important. Now for the linkage, the old linkage bracket, which is this here, bolted directly to the manifold. I made a bracket out of some metal that I had. You want this real stable, so I went across here, here, and here bracket, and then I welded this original bracket to it so it hooks to the throttle body. I did have to go get some new linkage or hardware for the linkage, but everything seemed to work right. Going back over here, we have this vacuum, which is an 1/8 inch pipe thread to an 1/8 inch nipple. I'll leave a description in the comments also for that. So you had to add this here. The original manifold has a piece that just comes off there, so that's another little thing that we had to do. But all in all, everything came out smooth. It took a little bit of time getting back to this video. I apologize. I wanted to show you guys everything that we did. We're going to go ahead and start it up for the first time here shortly, and stay tuned. Okay, so you could hear the air getting sucked in here. I mean, there's a huge difference. We're looking at it and listening to it. There's a huge difference. So I'm really excited to see how this works out. Do me a favor, if you like this video or you got anything out of it, please like and subscribe. We're going to be doing a cam kit and roller rockers here shortly, so stay tuned. Thank you very much. I'll let you know the details of how it runs after the test trial goes.